This is the future of espresso machines right here. Back in the day, about 2 years ago...
You have a video, right?
There is a video. There is the version 1 of this machine, which basically was like a Flair 58 that had 2-degree temperature control. It had like a really goofy wooden base and all of that. And now this is the version 3 of that same machine. Obviously, this is from China. It's very, very clear. You can look at the UI and instantly tell it's from China. The guy has really improved the build. Right, he's like iterated on the machine.
Yeah, so there's a V2 and there's a V3.
Yeah.
V2 I know has different temperature, like boiler and stuff like that. The other stuff I forgot, but all I know is here we got the V3.
Right. So the biggest difference between like version 1 and version 3, and over the past few years, is that all of the power and the heating and everything is integrated now. So it's like one thing. So
it used to be, there's a box.
Yeah, you had to have the box, and then you set everything on the box. It was like the Levercraft Ultra.
Yeah, but now this is you just need any barrel plug power supply here.
You know, the other cool stuff is like 2-degree control, 58mm portafilter, full profiling.
Well, not full.
Well, sort of full. We'll show you guys. You can manual lever it, but we're gonna go and actually show you guys some of the closer up stuff. We're gonna pull some shots.
So here I can show this.
Yeah, you can show the controls.
So here, these are the preheat. This is the start preheat, and then to stop preheat. You can control the temp here, right? 94. And then this is the current temp.
Yes.
And then these are the controls to move this thing. So I can show this. It'll go up.
Yeah, so you can raise the piston and all of that, so because this will let you fill the water and do all of that. So if you wanted to set up preheating, it is totally possible.
Yeah, right. And then now we can go down. This LED thing is just to turn on and off this light. And here is like a quick pressure adjustment, like for the infusion pressure. So you can go to 9. It goes up by 0.5. You can do more granular controls here. And then yeah, these are just the auto controls. You can pull espresso now, right? So right now there's like, we can look at this. This is the target pre-infusion temp, and then this is like the target infusion, like the pre-infusion pressure.
Pressure, yeah.
Yeah, and then the infusion pressure, and then it's time based, and then it'll have a ramp off. So, yeah. But this is like, so say we'll do 3 bars of pre-infusion for 10 seconds, and then 9 bars for 30 seconds.
So it'll hit 3, then go to 9.
Yeah. And then the ramp. Yeah.
So this is all programmable, but as you see here, it is very Spartan of a machine. These are all metal, and then the little display part is 3D printed.
Here, like there's more 3D. There's a lot.
There's a fair bit of 3D print stuff on here.
I mean, here you can also do the ramp. You can make it simulate a spring, or make it like regular. Yeah.
So you can basically control the aggressiveness of how the pressure is building. So you can simulate other types of machines.
Yeah, so we're on spring right now.
Yeah, so we're basically just gonna make some coffee and see what you guys think.
Okay, we can show people. So I'm gonna start the preheating.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take some hot water. You gotta make some hot water, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now
but you can just put cold water in here and preheat it, because this is a one-way valve.
Oh yeah, but it is. Well, it's not perfect, but like you can feel this is like set. Like,
oh yeah, it's gonna get warm. Obviously, depending on the heat of the water you put in here, that's going to influence your preheating time. And you can fit a lot of water in here. The original version 1 of this, you could fit around 100-something into it, mils of water in there.
Yeah. Well,
and then now it's
going up.
It's going to go up.
So our target preheat is 94. So I think right now it's saying it's 57.
Definitely decently fast. Your preheating time is also dependent on your power supply as well.
Yeah. Oh, the other thing is you can set like how long it'll preheat, like before it'll stop. Like this is like how long auto shut off for preheating. Yeah.
The language button that doesn't work.
The language button, you press it, says it's not written. You can connect this to Wi-Fi.
Yeah, this has like all of the updatable firmware.
This one only has the pressure gauge.
There is a version with the flow meter or flow.
His initial ones for the V3 had the flow meter, but currently it's like there's some issues with getting more of the parts. So then so right now this version is only the pressure.
Okay, yeah. So we're at 98 mesons. There's a lot of space on this machine, as you see here. You can fit a whole big scale.
This thing, that scale is basically a kind of what is it, lunar?
Pearl.
Pearl size, yeah.
Yeah.
Slightly smaller, but not much.
Oh yeah, other things with this machine that has always been cool is, let me show this. Well, there's the Matrix shower screen. So you get the really nice E61 Matrix shower screen. You get this nice portafilter.
Yeah, bottomless portafilter.
Bottomless portafilter. Yeah, you get a basket. Yeah, you get accessories, man.
So I mean, you need a tamper to make espresso, right? So.
Dude, he gives you a nice tamper.
So you get.
It's the Pullman Barista Professional
This
tamper.
is the old one. So
yeah, it's not the big step,
but the original.
But it's really nice. You also got the original power supply because this is
China.
China.
Yeah. So here you got the mirror is like the decent style stuff, right? I mean, it works.
Yeah, if you wanted to add a little shot mirror onto here, you can.
Yeah, you need to like tape it, but then you know.
Yeah, but that it comes with everything.
Oh yeah, so here you can see it perfectly. Well.
Oh yeah. So that is the Matrix IMS Matrix screen.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
The one bad part about this machine, you kind of need two hands. I'm gonna hold the base because I think holding this one's kind of sketchy. but like here, I'm going to do these. Like,
It's like reversed, right?
yeah, so it's like this, and then you just gotta like lock it in. It's this. Yeah, lock it in just like this.
Mm-hmm. There you go. We have a lot of water in here. Oh yeah, and it's also basically heated up.
Yeah. So we can just pull it.
Yeah, we can pull it, but I mean, this is the same thing where it's like the last point, whatever degrees, is going to take a little long.
Yeah, so we'll just I mean, I think
just
I'm
start.
start now.
Just pull.
So this is going to be the auto electric mode, right? The auto mode. So yeah, it goes up. No.
Yeah, and the water goes down. Your temperature is going to drop.
Yeah, so
and then there we go. The pressure readout is there.
Yeah, so now we're doing the full ramp. It's a bit soupy, but we're at 7
bars.
And
then
no more water.
Yeah. Well, we didn't fill it up all the
Oh,
way.
no, I think you don't need to fill it up all the way.
Yeah.
Because this is already like 50 something.
Yeah, this is a good amount of water.
It's like 1 to 3.
So
cups.
it's pretty quiet, or like the loudest thing is the motor.
I think there's more. Like we have to purge a little bit.
Yeah.
But,
Well, you have to purge after this.
Like,
So we're gonna purge now. There's a purge button.
oh no, you kind of have to do it manually. So you just press up and down.
Up and down. Yeah. Get the purge.
Yeah. See, it has a flare thing. Or it's dry now.
Yep. You can manually pull espresso here, but we were just using kind of the auto auto profile.
Well, because auto here, it'll actually like limit the pressure, right? If you just press up and down, it'll
Yeah,
just
you don't know what it's
it's
set
hit up
to.
to 9 or whatever.
Yeah. But this one, it's because we have it programmed 3.1 bar pre-infusion, 9.1 bar actual setup. But
they went up to 7, right? So not quite, you know.
Yeah, we could
through 9
grind.
bar,
Yeah, but we could grind finer. I mean, it's trying to target the pressure, right?
Yeah.
So on this graph here, the readout was pretty fast. It's actually really
Okay,
fast.
well, so if you saw what I was doing yesterday when I went a little bit too fine, it will like cap it at 9.
Okay.
So like it'll be like a flat line at 9, basically. Once you hit
Yeah. So this has smart enough firmware in it that says if you reach the pressure, just don't push down so hard.
Yeah, don't so much time anymore.
But unfortunately, we don't have the flow readout on this specific model.
Yeah.
But it's whatever. It's
But
it's
the thing
fine.
about this is like they're always upgradable. The guy made like an upgrade kit from V1 to V3. You'll get the screen basically. You won't get like you still have to use the external box machine for the thing. But you know you can upgrade some of the features.
So we pulled some. You know, we did pull some soup. Semi soup. 7 bars.
7.5, something like that. But this is pretty fine. This is on the on Measons on a P100. It's 0.6. This is the Wash Black Honey.
Ooh, it sounds like celery.
It's like dank, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty dank. Espresso tastes like it's a well pulled shot. This coffee is not to my preference.
No, I agree.
Yeah, but also this is a shot. The shot you pulled is that faster flow, like higher extraction.
But we can show like a normal what the flow rate is.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Let's show normal flow rate.
Okay. So I'm putting in a lot of water. It's pretty much filled up.
Okay, and then it's pretty accurate. Like it's just cold water, and then what you wanna like measure
So I think this one is the Hero flow rate meter. So it's not great. I'll say that. So let's not use this number is just a rough estimate.
Yeah,
right?
like let's just look at the total number and then the timer.
Okay, we can start the timer. So I'm gonna press that. Showing the auto thing, we're just gonna
Use just hit down.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
None of the different pressure stuff, right? Okay, and then we're gonna hit down, right?
Yep.
Okay, so that was
78 in like 11 seconds.
Like 11 to 12 seconds, 11 and a half.
Yeah.
And then some of it spread out to the side, so it's still quite fast. Like,
It is very fast, yeah.
we can do it again.
Well, let's try it again, yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna try that again. The touchscreen's also pretty responsive, if you're wondering.
Like, look, because this is like lag, because I have like you can see it's like, it goes up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so, and also like, because at the end, when there's less at the end.
Yeah, the flow rate's gonna change. So,
down.
yeah.
But it was pretty high, like.
So roughly, yeah, like 7, but depending on...
No, you just ignore the last part.
Yeah,
the last part you won't hit it anyways, so it's like, it's probably closer to like 10 or 11.
Yeah, but you can fit
a lot of
water in here.
Yeah.
So we pulled a 50 mil shot, and we still had more water in there for purging.
Probably like 60 or 70 milliliters.
Yeah, I mean, you just put 80 in there, and it's good. This is the back side of the machine. It's pretty gnarly looking.
Well, you can tell like this is like, you can detach this.
Yeah. Well, it's like decently modular. I mean, that's 3D printed.
Yeah, 3D printed. Sure.
All right, we're gonna put the lever on.
Because we can still operate it with the lever on and in auto mode. Like that, they're like, you can do both.
Yeah, but it's just smaller if you don't have the lever on. So like you can use the lever if you want to.
Yeah, exactly.
So this actually has so many options. It is amazing.
All right, let me stop it. Right. So it's like
there we go. So you can use this manually if you want.
Yeah. So okay, I see. So you have to put it in the most raised position, because otherwise, like it blocks the thing going up and down. First, let's just try it.
Well, let's just put some water in. Yeah, and see. So
let's
put some water in here.
I think you're supposed to do it.
Yeah, you have to do it when it's down,
Yeah.
so then the water will fill the chamber when you lift it up.
Yeah.
Oh, we should see if we can get faster flow rate if you push it down.
Oh, like sure. Okay. Like you mean like?
Yep. So then now the water's now in the piston.
Yep.
Inside. Oh, that is definitely faster.
There's no resistance, right?
Yeah, there's no right.
This is actually really easy to push.
Yeah, let me see.
Okay.
Oh, dude, that is well, yeah, we have so much leverage. Like, look how big this lever is. How expensive is this?
Okay, let me do it. Let's look it up right now.
Yeah, let's look it up. One sec, guys.
Well, okay, this is not including shipping, because I can't talk about shipping.
Yeah, shipping is very convoluted, so let's...
Convoluted, you figure it out yourself, not my problem.
Yeah.
So with the current exchange rate right now, it's like $475.
Yeah. So you get the whole machine, you get the accessories, under $500.
Yeah.
So,
let's,
however...
let's just say it's about $500.
Yeah, it's basically 500.
Okay.
So, I actually think this invalidates a lot of other machines if your goal is to just make espresso. And it's just fun. Like, this is super fun that we can have profiling, and it's also...
Limited profiling.
Yeah, limited profiling, but still profiling.
Yeah.
And we can manually do stuff. So, we're going to try stuff manually now. Getting it here in the States was a little janky because of shipping reasons, and also this was a China plug, so you just needed to buy another power adapter.
It's like the power supply.
Well, the power supply was the China plug.
Right, but this is.
But
so you can use any.
Yeah, you can use any. I mean, this is a laptop power supply, effectively, right? You can literally stick a gaming laptop power supply on here, and it will work.
Yeah. But you could on the other older power supply I had like the lower power one.
Your machine performance will be different depending on what power supply you use.
Yeah.
So now we have hot water in here.
Yeah, it is. The downside with the lever is like it's quite blocking like the view. So it's it's kind of hard to pour.
Yeah, and then we can preheat, set it to the temperature we wanted it to preheat to.
So it's preheating. It's saying right now the temp is 71. Oh, wait, we can show the really advanced settings, but
yeah, so there are. You should also go to the profiles.
So this is you have to use your phone to do some stuff here, but here.
Yeah, these are like the smoothing factors, like you can get pretty nerdy.
Essentially, smoothing factors and like the precision for like, of the temp and the pressure stuff. But yeah, we don't touch any of this for now. The biggest problem is like there's no manual, so you don't know what this like. Oh, it's because I bumped it.
Oh,
so it's not a perfect seal, right?
Yeah.
So, but it's hard to tell what some of these things mean, basically.
Yeah. Obviously, like this is also one dude, right, who makes this machine.
I don't know.
Well, like he used to do it out of his garage, like or like there used to be that garage that the guy made the machine in.
Oh, really? Okay. Wait, why is this coming out? Actually. Oh, is it just because like once it's like this, it's not like a perfect?
Yeah. Well, that's why it's like you have to you have to stick the portafilter in.
But then it'll get wet, right?
I don't think that matter. That doesn't matter. This is like a flare. Right, effectively, this is like a flare at this point. You have to stick the puck, the portafilter in.
You're right.
This is really funny. Still, the way you lock in the portafilter.
Yep. Just like this. That's good.
Yeah. So now you need to put water in here because we're just preheating.
Oh, I mean when no, I thought you meant when we're
yeah. Right, when you pull the shot.
Yeah, it should.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we can try it, but you press this like this one, right? This thing says for hand pressure.
Yeah, hand. Yeah.
So I don't know what it'll do, but okay.
I don't know. Well, let's.
Do we want to wait for it to heat up?
Sure. Why not?
Oh, okay.
Well, I mean, let's actually taste some coffee, and then there you go. See, it's heating up.
Is it?
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, you can see the bubbles.
Oh, okay. Don't touch it.
Yeah. It's hot.
I think maybe the sensor is like. Maybe this is bugged, but because look at this.
Yeah,
water.
it's. Hey, just pull it. Just pull it.
Okay. So,
just pull it.
So first.
Yeah.
You have to raise it up, right?
Now the water is touching the puck.
Yep.
And then now.
Is it centered?
Yep.
Okay. And then we just go down, right?
Yep.
Press this.
I think you need to restart the software, but we're not getting any readout. But.
I think a bunch of stuff got bugged maybe. Okay, this part actually does need like a bit.
That's espresso right there. Yeah, so our digital readout froze temporarily.
The software bugged out because like nothing is like
Yeah, we'll just restart the software.
Even the temperature is like frozen at.
Yeah. Just restart the software. That temperature looks maybe too high. I don't know.
The temp? I think the temperature is too high because it just kept preheating. Because
Yeah.
Okay, we can do a cup swap.
Yeah, and then you can purge, and you have to manually purge this.
Yeah. So you just
go up and then go down. Yeah. All right, so that's just the normal. If you wanted to do it manually, and you get the dry puck.
Yeah. I think you will.
Let's restart the software.
Okay.
Generic button.
Yep.
That you turn on and off.
Yep.
Okay. Here's the espresso that we pulled. I'm gonna taste it now.
I'm gonna make some more.
Woo! You were pulling like slower, lower pressure. It's sweet.
Yeah.
This is not my coffee.
No, I think it's not good. Yeah.
It does taste like, dude, there is apple juice in this.
You can taste it.
You can taste apple juice.
But it's like also like a weird like that like maybe like an expired. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a little sus apple juice in here. So we'll have another stream at another date where we will go and do some rehydration memes because that's what Robert has been working on, and that's peak content right there. So we'll go and show that off later. But
okay, I'm starting the preheating. Okay, the preheating like the temperature gauge at least is reading.
Yeah, the temp gauge is reading.
It's going up because I put in more hot water,
Yeah.
right? So that makes sense.
Okay, so I'm gonna lift up here.
I have to attend a Zoom thing real quick.
You have a meeting right now?
Someone wants to do a photo.
Oh, now I'm getting pressure readout. Okay, this is super cool. So I'm going to pull it to basically 6 bars, or a little under 6 bars, and I'm just going to let this run. So I think we just needed to restart the software, and now we're getting pressure readout. I think I could have pushed it much harder, so I'm just going to... Oh, also, the machine is moving around a little. So I went up to 6, and then now I'm going down to 3. I'm just going to cut it there. Cool. So that was about a 30-second long shot. There was my pressure readout. As you see, I ramped up slowly to 6 or less than 6 bars, and then I just tried to hold it there, and then I went down. So you do get the full readout, and then obviously there's your time, and then the pressure graph. So we got our espresso, and then now I'm just going to purge it into another cup real quick. Well, this can do everything. This can do... Okay, yeah, so the readout is here. So see, it's like actually reading out as I... Oh, it is popping because I have the temperature. I need to turn some of the stuff off. But it's like, yeah, we do get a actual readout of the graph as I'm doing this. Pressurized system. Espresso. Tastes like this, but the black pepper version of it. That's what this... It's like got that same kind of taste to it. I mean, this is low pressure, so it's sweet. It's not very harsh at all, but it's like those kettle cooked black pepper chips in the context of espresso. We're pulling definitely 55, 60 gram long shots, low pressure, so it doesn't. And also, these coffees are roasted really, really lightly, so it's not going to look visually very pretty. Is the brew chamber heated? Yes. So everything here is all heated. It's like, you know, we can set the temperature to the exact degree of what we want it to be heated to. You can also just put cold water in here and heat it up. It's exactly like the version 1 and version 2 of this machine. Just the version 3 has really added the motorized stuff. Yeah, try it. No, it's so cursed.
It tastes like that in the filter, I think. Oh, yeah. I know exactly what you're
Dude, it tastes like the chips. It literally tastes like those chips. It's so cursed.
Yeah.
I like the shot. So I pulled. Do you see this? I pulled low pressure. I pull under 6 bars.
Oh.
And I did like slow flow rate.
Well, if we put it back to auto mode.
Yeah, let's put it back to auto.
Okay. So I turned out. Wait, there's no water in here.
Yeah, there's no water.
Okay.
So we're gonna put it back to auto mode.
So actually, it's quite easy. I realize how to do it now. Now that I've done it once. You have to raise it to the top, and then you have to unscrew it. And then let's just verify it works. Oh,
yep. Yeah. So we're back in the auto mode.
What do you think about the pushing experience?
I think it's good. I was just getting some of those pops because I was running out of water, so I was just getting in. Yeah, there's just a lot of pressure that can build up into here, kind of like your flair.
But the strength is like not.
No, the strength is easy. Well, it's a long ass lever. Like you literally have a shit ton of leverage.
Oh, there's 3.
Three.
So this is to save.
Yeah, let's just save a profile to one.
And then this is to to preserve to get one. Okay, so well, first let's clear it, right? Oh.
We probably have to make a pull pull a shot first.
So it does.
Oh, so it's saved. Yeah, so that was the shot I pulled earlier,
but
and it saved it.
I don't think it can replicate it.
Well, I don't know. All right, this is the coffee we are pulling. Colombia, Palestina, Finca, San Gabriel, Pink Bourbon. Look at these flavor notes.
Does it say?
It says Bloody Mary, cinnamon, basil, cardamom, brown sugar, juicy.
So you got more food again.
More food. I can't win. So let's see if it can mimic that profile that I was pulling earlier, where I was pulling at a low pressure, because we do have an overlay of our pressure graph.
I think that is just... I believe the current version of the firmware is only an overlay.
Okay, it might not mimic it yet, but eventually, right? The guy's adding all his stuff.
He's adding more features, right? So first, okay, let me put in the puck, and then let's put in the water. And then, yeah, this part is kind of annoying because it's like, weird, like the way that you put it in is the opposite of how most machines work, right? But also, like, now it's hard to like pour water in, but...
Well, yeah, I mean, but I don't think I think most people would not use this with the lever and then use auto mode.
Yeah, but it is like just like one toggle in the settings, right? Like here, just this toggle.
Yeah, it's
here.
just the auto.
Okay.
Go back. Oh, pull up. Yeah, so you pull up the profile.
No, it's already pulled up, right? I just set the max of the auto pressure to 8 in case it goes back to the
original.
The normal auto mode, and then we just slide it over, right? We don't need a 9-bar shot of this thing.
Yeah, let's not 9-bar shot of food.
Alright, exactly.
Of this food tasting coffee.
UI?
The UI needs some improvement. Not that it, like, if I got one of these, I would just have it set up. I would learn it once and then set it up into auto mode. I wouldn't run this with the lever.
The thing about this is like, you don't need the weird dog leg.
Oh yeah, it's not like porter-filter dependent. Like your compatibility is much stronger.
Yeah, it's like this is a normal porter filter. I can throw my Swarks basket here.
Yeah, I don't need to have like specific things.
Yeah. And remember, hey, this is with we're playing all shots with a normal decent basket. No weird basket today.
Okay, it's at 85. It's gonna go up to 86. We're trying to preheat to 94.
Do you want to hit 94?
I don't think I want to hit 94 with this coffee.
Okay, so what do you want to hit?
Like an 88, 90.
Okay, just start at like 88. I have a meme product for you. Hey, we're gonna.
Oh, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
This is the China, the little Prince thing, right?
Yeah, let's do it. You got real balls, dude? You have the real balls.
They have the logo on them, like these are
real balls. Alright, we got the balls. With the Little Prince. Coffee Little Prince. Okay, here, let's start it. Oh, we're at 92 already.
So we're gonna press the auto mode? Okay.
I have to get it out of the way.
Oh yeah, because you're gonna get hit.
Yeah, you're getting hit by the lever. The water went down into the chamber. Let's see if it mimics the profile. I don't... Maybe it will?
I don't think it does. Well, this is... No, it's not.
No, it's not.
It just doesn't...
It's just an overlay right now.
Yeah, it's just an overlay. I think this is to assist you when you do more manual, right? Oh my god, it shot up to
Yeah, you're down too fine. So, it does cap your pressure if you set it to a certain value.
Hey, it's going.
I mean, that's visually what people like. Right? People are like, oh, traditional espresso.
Oh, I forgot to save the 8-bar setting, which is why it went up to...
Yeah, it's going to 9.
Yeah, it's okay.
But it'll taste good because you have a ball, right? You got some gold balls. It'll taste good.
Oh my god.
So yeah, that's a very traditional pressure curve for just like ramp up, ramp down. Oh, and it did it for 10 seconds. So it's following your, so like we have it set to 3.1 bars for 10 seconds, and then 9.1 for the rest of the shot. So
watch out.
Oh yeah. You gotta watch out for the lever. And then we're purging.
Okay, so here, wait, so you should try this coffee.
I will try this coffee. Oh my god.
This is a 9-bar shot.
9-bar. That is traditional espresso.
Thing about this is like you can just use it in the normal mode when you want to just like, you know, in the like on a weekday you just want to you need some coffee, right?
Yeah.
Just use it in the auto mode, and then on the weekend put in your lever and then
You can put in your lever and have some fun. Yeah. So like we have auto and then you have the full manual. I mean the shot. This is traditional espresso. This is like that.
Hey, but you got some cold drink, man.
Yeah. Well, that's because it tastes really good because you use
look at this. This is still cold.
Yeah. Because this is a real
Gold ball.
real gold ball. If you use the non-gold ball, that shit would be hella hot, and that's why you pay up for the gold one. Put some wheels on that. Add a blade to the lever and enter it into BattleBots. Dude, this actually looks like some BattleBots material. Like look at how like brutalist the lines are. You know, it's like it's Chinese aesthetic.
Okay, we can just preheat a little bit this time, like because it'll be fast, right? So.
Yeah. So as we've been pulling more and more shots with the heated water, each shot is going to be faster. It's the same type of thing like on if you've used meticulous or flair, any of these, it just will be faster.
Like any lever machine, right? Like it's just gonna like you know even robot, right? The piston heats up, same kind of concept.
Yeah.
We're at 78, 79.
Yeah, and we set this one to 6 bars. And you can kind of have... Well, I guess we can save that as an overlay.
We can save this. Yeah. So you can save 3 overlays. So we can do like... Oh, no, you can pick 1 overlay.
Yeah, but like you can't show all the overlays at the same time.
Yeah. So...
Oh, did you hit the preheat button?
Yeah.
Cool.
So right now it's a full overlap, so that's why you can't see the line, but
right, because like it still shows the last shot.
Yeah,
right.
Exactly.
Same profile as before, but the difference is our peak pressure should not go all the way up to 9. It will go to 6.1.
Oh, we can do something like this. Do we want the here?
Well, we didn't turn on any of the smoothing yet.
Yeah.
Oh God, do we really want to adjust the smoothing?
No, let's just.
Or do you want to see what happened?
This is when it changes from pre-infusion to the non-infusion thing. Okay, so let's make this. Okay.
See if that.
It tells you the default value, so we
yes.
We know what that does.
Because like basically we can adjust like the transition and like how aggressive things are with this, for better or worse. So obviously, if you buy one of these, it's not in English, and the English functionality has not been implemented yet.
We can show them the language.
Yeah, language not implemented yet.
Yep. Okay, so this is 91, 92.
All right, yeah, let's start it.
Okay, so I'm gonna press the auto button.
I'm gonna move out of the way for the lever. Yeah, you don't need to have this lever on here, by the way.
Okay, like here we have the overlay. Right?
Yeah, we have the overlay of our last shot, but it's going to go to a lower pressure because it is set to 6 bars.
3?
Yep, we hit 3, and then now it's going to ramp to 6, or it's going to try to go to 6. You're still really fine, but it's not...
I forgot to change the grind setting.
Yeah. So we're really, really fine.
Wait, isn't it mimicking it? No.
No. It's not. It's because you're still really, really fine.
Overshot, yeah.
Yeah, it overshot.
Oh, but it's going down to 6
right.
now. That's
really cool.
Oh, I think we might need to lengthen time, though, because now it's going to stop at 40 seconds.
Yeah. Well, that's because all of this is time-based right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it did its... It hit 6.1 and now it's going down. So this is going to be less harsh than before, but it's because we used the really, really fine grind setting.
Yeah, I forgot to change the grind setting.
Yeah, but still, I mean, the coffee's been tasting fine. Like, there is no inherent problem with the machine because the temperatures are all correct, right?
Yeah. Okay, we need to do the soft cup, right? Okay, so stop. Set to swap.
It went from 100 Celsius to 70 Celsius. That's a huge heat loss. So when
because of where the sensor placement.
Yeah, their sensor placement will get exposed to the air. I think even on the original one. So obviously the temperature is going to drop.
The sensor, you can see it's like it's like around up near the top here. So once it goes up like this, it's going to be exposed to the air. So then
then you're going to get the temperature drop.
So it'll appear lower to the machine because of where the
sensor is. Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, I know people they're like, "Oh, what's going on? The temperature is so low." But yeah, no, that's not how it works. Or like that's not what your puck is.
So that's why you got to preheat it with the thing down, because then that's when the thermal probe is in the water.
Yes. And that's the temperature you get.
So because once you go to the top, it's gonna be like
We keep picking food coffees. We finally are picking a non-food coffee. Low pressure. You want to taste it? Ooh, smells good.
Yeah, I mean, there's not that much extraction here because of the time problem, but
The style shot's much better because the pressure is lower.
Yeah,
it wasn't.
I mean, it's quite even. Like,
oh yeah. As a very first look at this, it's legit, man. It actually is super legit.
Well, like, you gotta we know what it did before, which is lever only, right? So it's a good iteration on it where you get a little bit of like.
You get enough control. Like, you get the fact that it will pull shots for you, and you can set a pre-infusion and a ramp-up pressure, and you can base that on time is really good.
I think there is, like, a drop-off pressure, because you can see, like, after it drops...
Yeah, it does. They do kind of drop up at the same time. So there is programming.
So it's like a three-stage, essentially. Auto three-stage, yeah. But the guy did say that he's adding more features, and there's firmware updates. So, we know that it's like pretty well supported, right? Because the guy's
been around for a bit now.
Well, also he's offered like upgrade kits from the V2 to the V1,
V2 to the V3. So he's been supporting everybody for supporting him from back in the day. If you bought a V1,
and I think maybe the programmability would be better once we get the flow meter in. Yeah.
So but the fact that you even get a pretty accurate pressure readout and you can do everything. That the original machine can do and more is great. So you get all that 2 degree temperature control. You get profiling. The fact that you can uninstall the lever is huge, right?
Oh, wait, we can show them the thermal probe so people understand.
Oh yeah, let's show the thermal probes.
Okay, so people will understand. Yeah. So if you if you zoom like around, like on the back of this, you can see it. It's like the thing underneath
It's hard to show.
Oh, okay, because of the angle, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's in between that area, like, when it's, like, lifted up into the air like this, it's all exposed to the air.
And then your temperature loss, I mean, like, it's literally touching the air. You're gonna lose temperature. But yeah, that's what it looks like. You take the lever off. It's literally removable lever. So this is what the machine, I think most people use it as, is, like, full... auto.
I think this hole is because of he just took the lever from the previous one.
Yeah.
So the previous one probably got hooked in that way. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think I'll wrap up, and I gotta go get dinner. Thanks everyone for hanging out with us tonight, and we will probably feature this machine more at a later date. I don't know when. We can do it at by viewer request. So, yeah. Goodbye.